This video is about what momentum is. Momentum is a fundamental concept in physics that describes the quantity of motion possessed by an object. It is a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. Mathematically, momentum P is defined as the product of an object mass m and velocity v. Now its formula is P is equal to m dot v, where P is the momentum and m is the mass and v stands for velocity. Now, key points about momentum. The direction. Momentum has the same direction as the velocity of the object. If the velocity changes direction, the momentum also changes direction accordingly. Second, the conservation. According to the law of conservation of momentum, the total momentum of a closed system remains constant if no external force acts on it. In other words, momentum is conserved in collision and interactions where the total initial momentum equals the total final momentum. Units. The SI units of momentum is kilogram meter per second, kg m dot s. In other system of units, momentum may be expressed in different units such as gram centimeter per second or pound feet per seconds. The fourth one is impulse. Impulse is a change in momentum of an object and is equal to the force applied to the object multiplied by the time interval over which the force is applied. Mathematically, impulse J I is given. J stands for F into delta t. J is impulse, F is force, and T stands for time interval. Understanding momentum is crucial in various fields of physics, including mechanics, collisions, and fluid dynamics, as it helps explain the behavior of objects in motion and the outcome of interaction between them. Okay, so now, if the information seemed helpful, kindly subscribe.